Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about Oppo phone home and lock screen setting, and today video title is guys how to fix screen double tap problem on Oppo phone. Friends, we want to fix guys your double tap problem on your Oppo phone. So how to fix today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you can see when I double tap on my lock screen, friends, my screen on automatic, and guys again I tap screen off. So friends, you have guys your double tap to wake screen setting. So how to fix double tap to wake screen problem on Oppo phone device. In this video friends, I will show you. Friends, open your phone setting first of all to fix double tap problem. After on phone setting friends, we will click on home and lock screen setting. Home screen and lock screen setting. We will tap here guys. Friends, you can see there are many settings. Home screen mode setting. Friends, you want to change your home screen mode with the standard mode, simple mode. So I apply here, your home screen mode will change. Friends, you want to change your home screen layout setting, row and column guys, you want to change, so you can change from here. Friends, you want to lock your home screen layout, so you can lock from here. So friends, scroll it, lock screen setting guys. Second option friends, you can see double tap to wake screen. So friends, we will tap this icon, then guys your problem will fix, your problem will solve. And friends, now first we will lock phone, and guys down you want to on your phone, so you cannot on guys with double tap. As you can see, screen will not on with double tap. So the double tap problem has solved. Friends, now you want to use your phone, you want to unlock your phone, so you will have to click on your power off button and you can on your phone. So like the guy, we can fix a double tap to wake screen problem on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, we will meet on next video. Thanks for watching the video guys.